In this video, we're going to show you how you can customize the flow builder to your own liking. This will make you more productive since you are able to customize the flow builder to match your own preferences. In order to do so, just go to any kind of flow that you already have, or just go to create a new subflow. Inside, you will have 3 dots right to the publish button. If we press that, you will be able to change the theme of the flow builder. So if you press the change theme, you will be able to choose from 9 different kinds of themes. As you can see here, each theme will give a preview to match your own preferences on how you want the flow builder to look like. Once you selected one of your preferences, just press the button Apply Change to the bottom right of the preview window. As you can see, the flow builder has been updated in real time. So let me just draft up a few blocks so you can see the differences if we change the theme. So if we want to change the theme, just go to the 3 dots again, go with Change the Theme, choose any theme that you like. So for example, honeycomb. Just press the button Apply Change. And you will see that the entire flow builder has been changed to your own preferences. If this is not the theme that you would like to have, you are always able to change the theme by going to the 3 dots right of the publish button, change the theme, and from here you'll be able to select the theme of preference. Press the button Apply Change, and you will see that your theme has been changed within seconds.